What does remove only mean for installed programs in Windows 7?
Every application in Windows may have up to 3 options in Programs and Features section, i.e. uninstall, change or repair. Remove only, applications can only be uninstalled. The change and repair options will not be available. The below image is for reference showing all the 3 available options.
This is just a convention that used to be somewhat useful in the past. It doesn't mean anything anymore. In modern Windows versions, a program can specify several options to be displayed in the Programs and Features panel. The default is an uninstall option, but there can also be options for repairing and changing any individual components. However, back in the olden days of Windows 95/98, you could manage installed programs from the Add Remove Programs control panel, which only contained a single option, named Add Remove. If the uninstaller supported anything more than a simple removal, it had to ask the user itself with a dialog box. To avoid user confusion, some programs that didn't support any fancy options would state so by adding remove only to the program uninstall entry. Some people simply got into the habit of doing this, and therefore it persists to this day.
All it means is that there are no other options available to the installation program. Some installation programs have the options to change the installed options of the program and/or repair the existing options, as well as the standard option to remove the application. If the application is small and simple, then remove is all that's needed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.